Welcome to a world where rock power meets precision. In this video, you will witness massive machinery effortlessly dominate enormous logs. The roar of engines, the crackle of chipped wood, and the sheer power of modern technology prepare you to dive deeper into the heart of the timber industry than ever before. Don't be fooled, you won't want to miss a second of it. The process of removing a tree with its roots using an excavator is carried out by utilizing the powerful arm of the machine to dig the soil and loosen the tree's roots. The excavator moves towards the trunk or the area around the roots, enabling the roots to be extracted from the ground. In this incident, while clearing fallen or damaged trees caused by a devastating storm like Hurricane Sandy, tree cutters may have encountered an unexpected danger. This system can generally be used in industrial or agricultural applications where irrigation, flood control, or the transportation of large amounts of liquid is required. During stump grinding, as special machines are used to break the stump into small pieces, the way the fallen pieces move in an orderly and impressive manner can be quite satisfying for some viewers. It describes the process of using a Hitachi 350 model excavator and a CBI brand shear to pull and process a large stump. This type of operation is typically used in the forestry industry, landscaping, and large construction projects. This man is putting himself in great danger while trying to save his house from the tree. Cutting down trees is truly a dangerous job, and this video exactly illustrates that. This machine is ideal for reducing the volume of tree cutting, pruning, weeds, and agricultural waste. It is especially used in activities like deforestation, sawmills, agricultural fields, and reforestation. This equipment processes large amounts of plant material, turning it into mulch or chips that can be reused. Here's another video showing how important it is to be careful while cutting trees.
ارجع يا حاج، ارجع يا حاج. بص يا ريس، يا حاج، يا ريس اللي على السلم انزل انت تحت شويه عشان جايز يطلع منها بوز ولا حاجه. انزل انت تحت شويه، انزل يا حاج انت.
The most important feature of the black splitter is its ability to rotate logs. This feature provides a significant advantage over traditional grapple and loader buckets because it allows the log to be rotated for more accurate and efficient processing. As a result, logs can be processed faster and more safely. The black splitter is especially used in forestry, tree cutting, and wood processing operations. Let's watch a tree cutting performed by experts. The Lipa TLB ED60 head shredder is a waste grinding machine designed for mini excavators. This equipment is particularly suitable for small to medium-scale projects and is mounted on mini excavators for use. The TLB ED60 shredder is used in applications such as tree cutting, branch pruning, land clearing, and landscaping. With its powerful cutting and grinding capacity, this machine can easily process large amounts of plant material and turn waste into smaller pieces. Such machines are excellent for saving time and labor. This attachment is ideal for processing large amounts of wood, tree trunks, and logs, and is used in areas such as forestry, landscaping, and wood processing. The wood splitter works by splitting logs into manageable pieces, which reduces manual labor and increases productivity and safety. Its durable design and compatibility with the Bobcat T190 allow operators to efficiently and easily handle heavy-duty wood splitting tasks. It is a machine that cuts and shreds tree branches, bushes, and other plant waste into small pieces. These machines are especially used in the forestry industry, landscaping, and waste management. Thanks to the auger system, the machine quickly grabs the branches and grinds them into smaller, manageable pieces. This saves time and reduces labor, especially when working with large amounts of branches and wood waste. Additionally, the small chips or mulch created from the waste can be used for recycling or as natural fertilizer. This machine is designed to collect and clean up fallen branches, especially in orchards. These machines gather the branches from the ground, making the processing, cleaning, and transportation more efficient. Such machines reduce labor and speed up garden maintenance, making them an essential tool, especially during the fruit harvesting season. Metso's shredder is commonly used in large industrial projects, the forestry industry, and waste management. The slow operation feature ensures that materials are shredded in a smooth and controlled manner, which results in higher efficiency and lower energy consumption. These types of machines offer environmentally friendly solutions, improving recycling and waste management processes. The Wolf Ridge VSC-17 is a log splitter designed specifically for processing small diameter logs. This equipment splits logs quickly and efficiently, saving time and labor. It is commonly used in forestry, wood processing, and similar applications. The removal of stumps is done using special machines and equipment, and this process is necessary for leveling the ground and making it usable. It is a knife-equipped log splitter used for splitting wood or logs. This machine is particularly effective for quickly and efficiently splitting small to medium-sized logs. Thanks to its blade system, the wood is divided into equal parts and is commonly used in processes such as firewood preparation, fireplace wood production, or fuel wood production. It reduces labor and provides a safer and more efficient working environment. Carlton 7015 TRX is a powerful and efficient stump grinding machine, specifically designed for grinding stumps of hardwoods like oak. This machine features a tracked design that allows it to easily navigate rough terrains and confined spaces, providing users with high maneuverability. The Gens 1300 HP is a high-powered wood grinding and shredding machine. With a 1300 horsepower engine, it efficiently processes large volumes of wood, branches, and forestry waste. This machine is widely used in the forestry industry, waste management, and biomass production. The Gens 1300 HP reduces large materials into smaller pieces, making them suitable for recycling or energy production. With its powerful engine and robust construction, it delivers high performance even under challenging conditions. It is an ideal solution for large-scale projects, saving both time and labor.